Hello, my dear friends. I hope all are doing good. First of all, I still want to wish everyone the happy water day, and I want to take and I want to repeat that on this day we are bound to commit ourselves to eliminate the water problem. I have learned today that there is a lot of problem in Somalia having lot of water scarcity. So there was a person who visited me and he was telling me there is a water scarcity. This rig have already been tested. Now it is going to dispatch tomorrow. As you can see, it is a complete rig refurbished, and you see our factory now. We are having so many rigs overhauling complete. You can see the complete view of the factory where we are doing a lot of work, and these are the rods. We are using friction drilling rods. So friends, as you can notice that we are doing now the mast feed cylinder fitting. Okay, and these are the refurbished rigs. This rig is also completed with the LG compressor 1100-300. So my dear friends, I want to thank all of the customers, viewers and everybody for the undaunted support being extended to PRL. We are, with the help of our customers and viewers, we are able to eliminate the water problem in the Africa, and we are doing great jobs, and we still want to do a lot of great jobs in times to come. So we need your support, we need your continuous patronage, so that we will do it more and more rigs. We will produce more and more rigs, and we will be able to dispatch more and more rigs to our brothers in Africa. So we will eliminate the complete water scarcity one day in African countries. So PRL is bound and committed to quality and price. PRL, it has been proved so many times. As you can see, even still there are so many customers have visited us, and they have conducted drilling by themselves, and we have supplied to ministries. We have qualified with the ministry criteria for the supply of the rigs. Many ministries in Africa have qualified our company. So this proves our quality parameters, our work. So thanks once again, my brothers. This rig is PDTHR 200 with 1000 CFM 275 compressor, which is being dispatched now. So I would like to thank you, all of you, and I request your support us to support the noble cause of eliminating the water in African countries. Thank you once again. Bye bye.